expedition so far?
Great.
What are you most excited for?
Living off the grid.
Yeah, getting off the grid. Let's go.
Soon we're going to kind of get to a point where it's just going to kind of sink. We're at 2,700 foot elevation. We'll be passing through a negative 200, maybe negative 300 foot elevation. Let's see what the sign says.
No services along its 40-mile length. Our historic sites and access to four-wheel drive roads into the Panamint Range.
We are actually in Death Valley right now, about to cross through the Panamint Range. Meanwhile, David and Leo are playing baseball. Super cool. So here's all the gear. Let's do a quick walkthrough. So we have our battery generator. This is the drone case. Small camera case, action cameras, all that stuff. This is a single burner like butane stove. First aid kit. Tool roll. Let's see what else. Extra like drone batteries and camera batteries and miscellaneous camera accessories there. David and Leo's luggage. My studio crates with all my off-roading gear and cook stuff. Cutting board right here on top. Vector off-road shelf. I have two roto packs with 2 gallons of water in each one. We have 14 gallons total of water in the Jeep today. So that should be plenty for a couple nights. Have the ice cold cooler or refrigerator. We brought an extra tote for all of our dry food. We're back on West Side Road.
This is Cinder Hill. It's showing minus 95 feet below sea level here. So we've got to be, what, 150 feet below sea level or so?
Driving off-road prohibited. So does that mean we're on-roading right now?
Yeah. My brain hurts thinking about that. We're on-roading, off-road? I don't know.
I think that's why they came up with the term overland.
Overland, yes.
Yeah, so we're getting up into the Panamint Range. There haven't been very many campsites so far, but yeah, it's really beautiful. The road's starting to get a little more interesting. Nothing crazy.
It's like a cave. Here it is. Yeah, this is your pull-off camp spot right here, I bet. Yeah, and there's one right there.
So I spit it out a bunny, and the bunny started cursing at me.
So this is the most awesome campsite I've probably ever seen. If there was a little stream running through the middle of it, that's the only way it would have been even better. So we're going to go explore, and we know that we have this as a fallback or maybe even a destination, like a choice to make our way back here.
Let's see what we see in the next hour and a half. If we don't see anything better, we'll come back here. This is epic. This is just beautiful.
We're about to exit the park. We're on the far west side, coming down Goler Canyon Rd, I believe. And this is a pretty difficult off-road trail. Like, you do need to know what you're doing. You have to have the right equipment. Everything about this has been enjoyable. It's been scenic. It's been challenging and engaging.
I do not want to mess up your Jeep for you, man. I'll let you do that.
This is unreal. It's otherworldly in a way, man. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys.
Wow.
These rock formations are crazy.
Okay, yeah, we're almost out of the canyon here. I just saw the end of it. This made the whole trip. If we see nothing else the entire trip but Goler Canyon, this is worth it. This is epic.
All right, we have made it all the way through Goler Pass, and we're now down to the Panamint Range. It has been a fantastic, awesome, like really excellent drive. The route through Goler Pass was just incredible. After all that, we did, from Death Valley National Park, went all the way down through Goler Pass. Now we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back into the park. It's a couple hour drive, probably an hour and a half, but we're gonna go to our favorite campsite that we saw the whole day. Awesome trip so far. It's been wonderful. Cheers. So we turned around and we're heading back up Goler Canyon Pass, Goler Canyon Road, whatever the hell it's called. We're gonna go back into the park and camped in that area that looks like Alabama Hills, like just really rocky, awesome, cool area with just positive vibes. And we're now entering Death Valley National Park. We're returning to Death Valley National Park. Driving off-road is prohibited, and no off-highway vehicles, so no side-by-sides, nothing that's not street legal can come through here. You have to be a street legal vehicle or be in a street legal vehicle to be able to come up this way. David's driving now. He's doing great. Thank you for driving for a little bit. I needed a break, so thank you.
Let's go. Obscure off-road. Glad to be out here. This is Leo, my son. His first off-road adventure. He's 9. Leo, you want to say hi to the Obscure Off-Road?
Hello. I think it's fun and some parts are scary.
Yeah, right now we're getting into a little technical climb section here. This is gorgeous. The rocks are like white and orange, and the landscape is green with brush. Really gorgeous through here. I'm going to go up like this.
Oh, there you go. That's what I would, yeah, perfect. Hang it a little more right. Bring it right and then S it. There you go. Easy peasy, man.
This thing just goes right up this, man. It doesn't even struggle at all. It's amazing. When you're down there and you're looking up and you're like, wait, I've got to go up over that? How? This thing just crawls right up there. Not even a problem.
No.
How green it is down there.
Yeah, man, it is beautiful.
We're going for a different path now.
Yes. Here. Okay, now this
This is the one you want to hug left. Like you want to damn near touch that rock on the left. And like it's vital that you're on the edge of that rock. All right.
inch of clearance here. Okay.
You got this. You good? So yeah, we're gonna work our way over to this awesome campsite. Set up shop for the night. Make some awesome dinner. Stoked. And now David's gonna kill us. Mama. How are we gonna do that rock on the right? Are you gonna go over it?
Left.
Hug left? Yeah, absolutely.
Am I looking on that side?
You're good. You can actually straighten out a bit. For sure. We're just now rolling up to our desired campsite, and we're hopeful that nobody has gotten that site before us. We did run into a couple of other trucks on the way in, and they were heading out into this general area, so there's a chance we could have lost our site.
Left here?
Yeah, that's where I marked it, dude. I know I'm right. I never question myself. We are at an absolutely amazing campsite in Death Valley National Park. It's been an awesome adventure so far. Jeep is happy. Getting our campsite set up. Got the scuttle. Just about to hang the hammock. So the hammock outpost. Here's one part. Part number one. 2 additional poles here. Pole number 1. Pole number 2. Pole hitch, the middle section. Here's the hammock. Nailed it!